What's up, you guys? It's me, Asian Night J, and I'm back again with another banging video. And we're outside in the wilderness. Oh my fucking goodness, I'm so scared. Walking on rocks and shit. This is my little hiking outfit. Yeah. I'm by the woods. I hope a bear don't come out, or a fox, or anything that wants to harm me. But yeah, this is like a hiking vlog. I wanted to get outside and get my mental back in check. And what better way to do that than going on a hike? And it's so like beautiful outside. So yeah. And there's a lot of people that be walking on this trail. So if you guys hear any voices or anything, just know they not with me. They are not with me. But yeah, they only gonna be with me if I see a bear. And then I'm going to act like I'm going to push them into the beer. But, yeah. But I'm going to catch you guys when I get to, like, a reasonable spot. Because right now I'm walking on rocks. I don't know if you guys can see it. But, like, I really genuinely do not want to fall. Because if I fall, I know I'm going to cry. So, like, yeah. I'm walking on rocks and stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to a reasonable spot or when I see something spectacular. Not they following us. Don't follow me. I'm by like this water. That's what it sounds like. But I'm just gonna keep walking ahead and let's see where this path takes me. I'm so scared. All these rocks and stones and stuff is starting to scare me, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys seen that? I almost died. Okay, you guys, so yeah, I just made it through another trail. And there's more water. And now I'm finna walk up this little ramp thing. It's like a bridge. I'm super duper scared. Super duper scared. This is really a good exercise. Actually.
What's up?
Hi. That was what?
You wanna go in the water?
No.
Oh.
That you
Go
go.
right over there.
I don't want to go into the
Come
water.
on.
All right. Take my pictures by the water too. Period. Okay, you guys. So now I'm on the stones, crossing through to get through the water, and I'm super duper scared because if I fall in this damn water, I'm really gonna sweep. No,